Urvi. Welcome to Urvi's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make Oreo balls. Let's see the ingredients. We need Oreos, any kind of flavor you want. I am using vanilla. Then we need desiccated coconut and sprinkles or chocolate chips. And we also need condensed milk. So let's get started. Separate the cream and the biscuits. And I love this cream. So next we are going to make powder of these biscuits. So if you are younger than me, take help of your parents. So now I am going to add 2 spoons of condensed milk in this powder and make a dough. It's not enough, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Mix it well. Our dough is ready. So now I'm going to make these balls. Now these balls are ready. I am going to dip this in desiccated coconut. Let's make this a little bit more yummy. Look at this. This is ready to eat. It's yummy. I hope you liked the video. Bye.